Welcome to Engwing. This application is helpful for schools and colleges, coaching classes, computer institutes, and spoken English training centers. It's a 4-in-1 multi-user Android app. It has spoken English courses, class management, academic videos, practice tools with AI. We offer 3 levels of courses, along with a grammar learning course. We have used our copyrighted content, innovative techniques, animated videos, and exercises. Level 1 course helps to improve English reading and spelling. We have designed this course based on a sound-based training system, so no more memorizing spelling. It improves pronunciation of students too. We've covered more than 100 laws of spelling and 44 sounds of phonics to make this course interesting for students, housewives, and professionals. Level 2 course helps to learn English speaking and writing. We have designed this course based on a sentence feeding system. It's a universal technique to learn any language. We focus on major activities and minor grammar. We involve learners in question-answer activities, presentations, and conversations to remove their hesitation, reduce their grammatical mistakes, and guide them towards correct pronunciation. Level 3 course helps to train students in English fluency and drafting. We focus on grammar, intonation, presentation, storytelling, picturization, news anchoring, personality grooming, interview preparation, and more. In Practice Tools feature, students can play and learn. They can do conversation. They can use dictionary. They can improve pronunciation. They can translate into 10 languages. They can use AI to ask anything. They can test themselves. Let's see our class management features. In academic books, students can see your uploaded courses or recorded lecture. In academic videos, students of class 1st to 12th can watch animated videos of maths, science, social science, and commerce. It helps them to understand their topics better. In academic test, you can conduct online test of your students. In assignment, you can give your task in text, PDF, or video form. In attendance, students can see their record. In classwork, students can see the day activity record made by teachers. In fee record, students and parents can see the payment records. In homework, students and parents can check all homework and records. In timetable, students can get updates of lectures schedule made by teachers. In live, students get live lectures link to connect. In report, students and parents can check progress easily. It's a helpful app for students, parents, and teachers. It helps to improve marks, increase quality, and boost confidence. Let's promote your brand with this app and add more value. Book now.